Hello everybody. Today we received one of two orders from Spirit Halloween. So we are going to unbox it now. I'm not sure which animatronic it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now. Like I said, this is one of two. So be sure to check back later as we will be unboxing the second animatronic. It should be here soon. And we will get this one set up. Let's see what we have. So our first animatronic is the Spirit Halloween Roaming Creepy Bear. He's an older prop, but we found a really good deal on him, and so we got him. Here he is. Roaming Creepy Bear. He's sound activated, and he's a bump and go. So we will see how well he works on the carpet versus the hardwood floors today. So be sure to check back later once we get him set up and roaming, and also to come back and check the unboxing of our second animatronic that we will be getting today.